Okay, welcome to another Friday 5. So this is the follow-up on the roll bar bushing replacement. So as you saw on the last Friday 5, I didn't change it, but I fixed the handbrake or adjusted the handbrake. Today, second try. So this is the roll bar bushing. It sits on the roll bar which goes through the car from one side of the front suspension to the other side. And I have changed one, need to change the other side. And it's really difficult to get to the top nut. There are two nuts, one on the bottom and then one on top, and it's really hard to get to.
So the top bolt there is going to be difficult because of the mounting here, which is in the way. So I'm going to see if I have the right tools to do this. We are 15, so you can see the regular spanner. It's not deep enough.
Okay, so underneath the car, and turns out this little thing was the savior to get it on the nut, so all the way to the end, then you can barely turn it, and it was enough to get it out. It's useful to have a what's it called, 12 edges, because then you can get it on in more positions. But yeah, the bushing is loose. Okay, so this is the old one, and you can see the difference with the new one. So you can see the height. So this has probably been there since original. And during the time they started putting like extra plating onto behind there to fix it. My mechanic told me, so this is probably original from 2008. And now you can see on the new one, much higher. There's a second layer here. So yeah, so putting this on, putting some warm water just on here, so it's gonna be when you start clamping on, it's gonna be easier to move it. So let's get some warm water. So don't use grease, because then it will collect dust, and then it would wear it will wear more if you get dust and dirt inside. Okay, let's put it on. Okay, so my idea now is to tighten it as much as I can on top here to get it in, because that's the most difficult one, and then I can tighten on the bottom, and that will clamp it on. So almost all the way in. Okay, so putting it back on, you can get the ratchet just one click at a time. Like so, and we are done. Oh, it's so warm. It's like 28 degrees, 27. But yeah, this little one in the which I had in the set with a small 18 socket. It's yeah, so you can get it all the way in. If you have like a 12 edge Probably won't sit as good, but you can turn this even better. So yeah, good. All done. Now just need to order or register for MOT. Hopefully I can do that tomorrow and it will be ready for the next part, which is service. MOT only got one failure. Damn parking lights, which I haven't checked. Checked everything else, but yeah, parking light wasn't checked. So yeah.